Hi there, it's Lu again, aka Jachinoy. For today's video, I'm going to show you a short review of my Louis Vuitton Clapton and what's inside my bag. So if you would like to know what I got, then keep on watching. Hi there, I'm Lu, aka Jachinoy. I'm a Filipina mom working and living here in Singapore, and last time I have an Iron Orchard haul of all the things that I bought recently, and the most coveted one that I bought is this Louis Vuitton Clapton bag. So I'm going to show you a quick review and what's inside my bag on what are the things that can fit in. So okay, first of all, this is the whole name of this item is the Louis Vuitton Clapton bag in Noir. Noir means color. This one, it got what do you call this, leather here. So this is black leather. Then whatever leather that you got, it's the same color of the strap. This is a crossbody bag or a body bag. So I got a black strap, and then this is in Damier Ebene print. So they have several colors. I can just link it down below at the description bar on the different colors. But what I like the most is the structure of this. First of all, I wanted to buy a pochette métis in monogram, but they don't have it in the whole Singapore, and they don't want me to put in the waiting list because the list was so long already. So they have other colors which is very light colors like dusty pink and cream, and the other one is in black and red, but it's very high maintenance, and that is more than 3,000 Sing dollars. This one is $2,700. So this is what it looks like. I got the tape measure here. Let's measure it so that you know if this will be okay also for you on your usage. Okay, how can I do this? I'm just on the floor, sorry. Okay, this one, okay, we'll measure this is called the length. Okay, so from here to here, it's about 10 inches. Okay, and then from here to here, it's about, what is it? It's about 7.5. And then the thickness, I think the thickness, it's best we put it here. The thickness, it's about 3 inches. So I'll show you first the outer interior. So like what I said, it got this leather flap, right? Then it got this thing that you can push it and put it back. So by the way, at the back, it's just so convenient. This is what the back looks like, and these are the sides. So it got this leather flap, right? Then it got this leather trim as well. So it got nice 4 gold feet that it also says Louis Vuitton. So this is how it looks like. And then the strap is color black. Let me just take out everything that is outside, okay, so it's easier. Okay, the strap is your usual black leather. So the holes is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It got 5 holes, and I like it that they got this extra strap because it makes me crazy that this strap will just, you know, flip. So at least this one will hold on to it. I use it on the 3rd setting. Yeah, so it's just a black strap. The claw is a Louis Vuitton claw. So this is how it looks like. It swivels and it's, you know, like that. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. And then, so I'll just set that aside. So at the back, there is this pocket, and what I love about this one is got a yellow microfiber lining inside, so it's easy to put a cell phone. This is a Huawei cell phone. I forgot what is the model, but I'll just measure it, okay, for you, so that we know what does it fit. So it's like 6 inches. And then by this side, it's about 3 inches, and you can see my 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 camera. So you can see, you can put a lot of things. This one, even a very big phone. Okay, then what? Okay, let's just take this out. Okay, this one is just my mirrors. It has a pink and red one. Then it got this very cute like clasp. So because I like mirrors, you see, so at least I can see myself if I got, okay, I'll see myself if I got lipstick or my eyeliner went off, like that. So I always hang this to all my bags. So I bought this in Key. It's a stationery shop. So yeah, so this is what the side looks like. So this is the like a D ring of the side. Yes, that's it. Then what else? So okay, so at the front, this is how it looks like. So let me just check. So this is how it looks like. It got 3, what do you call this, like a circle, then the 4th and 5th, it all says Louis Vuitton. Then there is a LV here, and then you just need to push this one. If you can see this one, I don't know if it's if you can see it in the computer screen in my filming today, but this one, it got a transparent sticker, just like the stickers that we got in our cell phones. If you newly bought a cell phone, you just peel them, right? So I don't want to peel it yet, so that to reduce of course scratching. So it's like this, right? Then you just open it, and it looks like this. Here it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Then it got also the transparent sticker here. Then this is how it looks like here. And then when you open it, this is how it looks like. So it's yellow microfiber interior. And I really like it because the other colors are kind of dull for me. So I really love this one. Okay, I'll show you what I got. So I'll open, hang on, what? Yeah, okay, let's open like this. So the first one I got here is a small set piece from Jujube. If you don't know what a Jujube is, it's an American brand of diaper baby bags. So they have a set of this. It means like it's 3 bags, and this is the smallest one. So what's inside here is my money, my cards, and this is the one of the oldest print. That's why they got this Jujube tag. So it, you know, nicely fits there. And I have another Jujube set. This is, I believe, in Providence. So what's inside here is my makeup. Okay, so what do I have? Like powder. Then of course I got panty liner, and one of my favorite, water drop tint balm from Holika Holika. This is my very best lip tint. You have to try it. It's a Korean brand. Then I got Burt's Bees lip balm. What else? Fresh Care. This is in green tea. This is really good. This is aromatherapy oil if I got, you know, headache, or I got insect bites, because this is a roll-on. What else? I got nail clippers inside, and eyeliner, because I really love eyeliners. I even got a pencil eyeliner from Rimmel, pencil eyeliner, and the smallest eyeliner, tattoo eyeliner from Kat Von D. Just this Christmas, she has this 2 eyeliner, like travel size, so everything can fit here. And then from this one, I got a spray alcohol. So as you can see, this is the bigger portion of the bag. Then at the back, it's just a very small portion here. So I got here double mints from Wrigley's. This is in black currant. What else? And this is LV, Louis Vuitton as well, in monogram print. This is key clay or key pouch. So I bought this together. If you can see my Iron Orchard haul, I bought this together, the bag and the key clay, because I really like the idea of having my keys, you know, hanging, right? And then I don't want it to scratch on the bag, whatever bag. So whatever keys that I got on this key clay, I can just nicely put it here and zip it up. You see? And then what else? Okay. And at the back portion, it got 2 open pockets. It's very, very tight, so it can only hold a bit, although a little. It's a bit stretchable. So I put here like small tissues that I put here in my Minnie Mouse pouch. Here in Singapore, we have a lot of Minnie Mouse kiosks because I believe they got an anniversary, so they sell a lot of Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse merchandise. And then at this side is wet wipes that I just buy from Watson. So this is small wet wipes as well. So this is the 2 things that can fit in. And the last thing at the middle, of course, is the zipper. If I don't know if you can see that one, this is what the zipper looks like. So it got also a gold zipper, and then I got only a, you know, panty liner and just small plastics, so that if ever I got accident or like rubbishes that I don't see any rubbish bin, I'll just put it down there first. And it got yellow microfiber lining. So yes, this is what an empty LV Clapton looks like. Yeah, so I've already used this once and I really like it. And I chose this print because it's you know, less hassle, very low maintenance as well. So I'll show you the what's in my like in the body. How does it look like? To let you know, my height is 5'5", and it really hits nicely on my waist, on I believe on the 3rd setting here. So yes, that's about it. That's my review and what's in my bag of this LV Clapton. So if you like this kind of videos, just like, subscribe, and you know, click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload new stuff from your mobile phones or your PC. And yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you want me to film about my Singapore life and everything here. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye-bye!